my gosh!
Oh!
3, 2, 1. Welcome back to the King of Facts. I'm here with my buddy, the Awkward Dude. And in today's video, we will be doing a noob versus pro airplane trick shot battle.
That's gonna be cool.
Yeah, let's get straight to it.
Do. Hey pal, what you doing?
What?
Hey pal,
Whoa!
what you doing?
I'm building a paper airplane.
I challenge you to an airplane battle.
Sure. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
You almost done over there?
Already done?
Close. How about you?
I haven't started making one.
Okay. So, this is what I'm making so far. Yes, almost finished. Let's go.
You ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
All right. So the rules are the one who gets the farthest. You ready?
Yeah.
Now go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Oh! Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see how the Awkward Dude made his plane and threw it, it was hilarious. Check out his channel. The link will be in the description. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Have a great time.